a 2007 Honda CRV 2.4. I'm changing the struts, so you have to remove the seats to the front and remove just this cover. Just get a screwdriver here, flat, and just easy to remove. So I also need to remove this number 14. So one goes over there and the other one goes over there. Okay, so and then I already remove the bolt that is holding the strut. This is number 17. So I was having a really hard time to remove the strut. So in this side, as you can see, I already removed this one. So the only things that you need to remove is the two bolts of the strut, the bolt that is holding the strut on the bottom, the number 17, and this bolt right here, the 17. It's also 17. And so when you remove this one, use like a pry bar and just pull it down like this, and just try to remove the strut. So as you can see, I only remove this one, and the two nuts on the top, and also remove the speed sensor from here, from the clip, to have more room, So if you're doing this job, if you're changing your rear struts, just remember to just remove those bolts, okay? And remove this one. Is really easy to remove, and so I'm gonna do the other side. If you have another person to help you out, it's better and it's easier. So yeah, so it's what you're gonna use is 17, a 14 socket, and your pry bar. It's the only thing you're gonna need. Okay guys, thank you, and I'll see you next time.